All right, good morning, family. I want to introduce to you how to secretly give your dog medicine. So we get this little tablet that's prescribed. It's actually a half a tablet because my guy is 4 pounds. And you get a meatball. And what we're gonna do, these are delicious, what's that place called? Freshpet. Delicious meatballs that you keep in the freezer, that are found in the freezer section at your grocery store, and it's hidden. So here we go. Let's find a dog. Here's a dog. Here's one. Let's see now. Do we love it? Oh, you're taking your medicine. That's good. And this is how we do it. Enjoy.